I'm Maria from the Property Management Department. I'm here today to talk to you about some things you'll need to consider on the day you move into your new property. On the day of moving, you will receive an electronic inventory sent to your email. This contains a lot of important information about the property, such as the location of the meters. It also will state the condition of the property on your move-in. This is what we'll check against on your move-out. If you have any comments or amendments you'd like to make, please add these electronically and send them back to us within 7 days of your move-in. Other things you need to check on your move-in is that you know the location of your stock tap, that you have all the correct bins for the property, and that you have all of the keys you will need for the property also. We will send off notifications to the council of the utility providers that you've moved in and meter readings if we have them. However, if you've not been contacted by the council or the utility providers within a few weeks, we would recommend that you get in touch with them also. If you have any questions for us, please give us a call on 0161 713 4013. Thanks!